What's going on, boys? It's been a long time since I've made a video. Um, yeah, we finally got the shock. Here's the new one. I ordered it probably a week and a half ago. And then on Monday, somehow it ended up in Houston and said delivered, but it was, went to Houston, and I live near San Antonio, so we emailed the people and they were like, oh yeah, that's UPS messed it up or something. We'll send you another one. 2 days later, here it is. And this shock was $50 off of Amazon. I can link it, but I'm not sure if I recommend it yet. When it arrived, there's this, and let me get the old shock for a little reference. But so that shock was like this. Think of it, it was like that kind of. There was that and that. So you're like, oh, you can just, unscrew and do that. The thing is, these don't unscrew. So we had to somehow, twist this thing into position. And with, a huge vice grip and some channel locks. And we got that pretty straight. But then, for the spring, I was going to loosen that a little. Because people said that, in their reviews, that this was a pretty stiff kind of suspension, so I was going to see if I could loosen the spring a little. Every time I twist this one, the second one just follows it, so I was trying to get that, and go, the other way, but, I can't. You move this, and then it just kind of locks up on you, which is kind of annoying, but it's here. And then, one other thing is, that shock was mounted upside down, and it came like that straight from whenever I bought it, and I was unaware of that. So if you're watching this, please, if you have a Taotao and you're watching this, just flip your shock the other way around. They're really supposed to be like this, and mine was like that. You can look it up for yourself. I looked it up today, and people said, yes, it does work both ways, like that or like that. But if you have it this way, it's not going to get worn down as fast. People say if you have it this way, then it's going to get worn down a lot faster, and it will probably fail on you. So mounting it like that will be easier, and that also makes a lot of sense, because here's where all the pressure goes whenever it compresses, and that's where the spring is. If you have it this way, the pressure is all in the middle, whenever it compresses. So I don't know why they mounted it like that. A guy pointed it out in my other video. Thanks for that. And yeah, just research that. So you're gonna want to like that, where the spring is towards the bottom, right? Quick update on this boy. I know none of y'all care, but I've been grinding this thing, taking apart everything, sanded down the exhaust, took off all the racks, took off all the plastics. My grandpa helped me reupholster the seat, took off the whole engine and everything, and I can't get the screw out that's on that little sprocket, so we're gonna have to do some troubleshooting. But here's a bunch of the parts. One other thing I gotta mention is I got 2 hour meters. One's for the Bayou and one's for the Taotao. I'll do a little install on that in a bit. And the next upgrade on the Taotao is definitely gonna be a carburetor, but I'm waiting for one of the carburetors to come in stock that I really like. Maybe I'll pop it up right here. It's like $35. It gets good reviews. Comes with a nice air filter that's kind of like the Uni, so I was gonna put that on, or get that when that's in stock. But enough rambling. Here's our 2 screws, which I'm gonna be getting new ones of these because they're actually warped, like if you saw that in the other video. But we're gonna put this on really quick. Oh, need it a tiny bit higher. There we go. Oh, it's on there, boys. So you can see I put the spring for this on the downside. You want the adjustment part at the top. So pretty sure that'll hopefully help it last longer. Still kind of unsure about the bolts and stuff, but we're taking it out to ride. There's pretty much almost no bounce to that. I think, well, the difference is the other one was air and this one's I forgot what was inside of this one. It's like some gases in it. Like, oh, nitrogen. It's nitrogen that's in this. So, let me sit on the bike real quick. Still got a little bounce to it. But, like, I kind of feel like it's just a little lower. Not gonna lie, because I think it's a little bit longer, maybe. Because, like, that does feel weird. Because I'm, like, flat footing pretty easily. Like, I feel like I'm just a little bit more down. I don't know. It feels like it's sitting a lot more down. Alright, well, we haven't started in a month. Half choke. Or not a month, I'm in a week. First kick. Whoa. This is actually pretty weird, not gonna lie. It's like so much lower and easier to like control. Like I'm a lot lower to the ground now. We'll take it on the track. Whoa, dude. That feels weird. I'll just say that. Like, being completely honest, it doesn't feel as stable as before. Okay, we're gonna ride it where I normally ride, and I'll see what the differences are. Whoa. Oh yeah, y'all like my pants? They're pretty redneck. It's because I only have like one pair of jeans that fits over my boots. So, I kind of wear these. I just started wearing them. But like, this actually feels like a good, like, smaller pit bike now. Well, I'm gonna tell you something. It's a lot dang easier to turn this thing now that it's like lowered. So what the heck? This is so easy to turn. It's so much easier to turn. Like, yeah, I'm going fourth gear down that and I can kind of just lean turn easy. I feel like the handling's a lot easier. Oh, okay, here's the real test on gravel. Third gear right now. This is definitely a lot more bumpy than with the other thing. But it ain't bad, it ain't bad. Oh, hold up. This looks like a freaking sick area. Oh, there's a cable. They didn't have this like a week ago. So it's kind of cool. Oh, that's pretty nice actually. They got a trail through here. Okay, so it ain't as bad, but I wasn't sitting on the seat, you know. Normally on off-roading stuff, I don't really sit on the seat, but on this I'll sit on the seat. It is pretty bad, but it would normally be pretty bad. Bro, they got some sick little cool trails back through here. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Yo, but you know what would be sick is coming and picking up a bunch of those pallets for the barn on the bayou. But that's probably going to be another 2 to 3 weeks before I fix that thing. So yeah, okay, we're gonna come and hit this jump again because it was pretty sick. Oh, you see that? I got some big air on that one. Okay, here's what I gotta say about the shock. So it definitely lowers the bike, and I thought it was kind of the same size. I guess not. It's probably a little bit smaller or something, or maybe it's even bigger, so it just kind of extends it down more. I don't really know. I'll have to look at the size, but I'm pretty sure maybe it's a lot longer, so it lets the swing arm hang down more. It's a stiff shock, I'll tell you that. The problem is this, I don't really care, like if it rubs the paint away, but you can't put down your kickstand, really, unless if you're on like a slant. And I think the shock kind of squeaks, which I don't really care. Really high up. The swing arm thing is pretty annoying. How it rubs on the on your kickstand. But like, it's so much easier to turn it. You know? So much easier. It's a lot shorter. It's honestly, it kind of feels more fun because I can just kind of whip around a little bit more easier. So I'm gonna be running this shock for probably like until it breaks. So, oh dude, this grass is growing. Oh, stick. Whoa. That is definitely, bruh, you son of a gun. Sonny, you do not want to fight me. You don't want the smoke, huh? Get out of my freaking way. Yeet. You want some of this? That's what I'm talking about, Sonny. Get off me. Alright. Whew. Let me hit this last trail and then I'll tell y'all, because I've ridden this trail so many times on the Taotao. I mean, $50, I think it's worth it, but obviously so I can at least ride this thing. But you know, I think it's gonna last, but the problem is like it's a lot lower, you know, like all the other things I've said. This thing, the kickstand, well, looks like my spring's about to fall off there because of the angle. I don't want to lose that. I'll take that and bend that probably. Oh, you can see that down here. The angle that it sits at, you're definitely a lot more unstable and it's easier to get thrown on the bike. It is a lot shorter, but for where I ride, I'd rather have it higher and stable than short and jerky, you know. I'm like full sending this thing. That's like the only major problem I've had with this thing for like 2 months. So yeah, I'll link it down below. I'm not sure if I would buy it yet. I'd stick around, see what y'all think about it. Maybe get it, but if you already have the stock Taotao shock, I'd just hang on to that. There's no point in getting this one. So thanks for watching the videos, guys. We are, man, we're grinding. We got 400 subs. We got like 1,600 watch hours. Trying to hit that monetization before summer, so we got about another month left maybe. But that would be amazing if we could get that. I want to finish the Bayou 220, man, you know, get some other stuff in here, get that carburetor for this thing, maybe some new handlebars or just some levers on this, and see kind of what else I can do. So thanks for watching, boys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.